everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something special for you. It's the highly anticipated Pixel 8 Pro by Google. I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, so let's dive right in and take a look. The Pixel 8 Pro's design is sleek and modern. It feels great in the hand and the build quality is top notch. The frosted back gives it a premium look. The display is a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus OLED panel with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and HDR support. It's perfect for streaming your favorite content. Just look at how stunning these visuals are. Whether you're watching videos or gaming, the Pixel 8 Pro doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, the Pixel 8 Pro is powered by the latest Tensor 3 processor with 5G capabilities directly from Google. It's snappy and handles multitasking like a champ. No matter what you throw at it, this phone is up for the challenge. One of the most exciting features of the Pixel series is the camera. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts a fantastic camera setup with improved sensor. The photos and videos from this camera are breathtaking. The enhanced low-light performance and the new features like Best Take, Magic Editor, and the Magic Audio Eraser really make it shine. Of course, it wouldn't be a Pixel without the incredible software experience. The Pixel 8 Pro runs on the latest Android OS, Android 14, with all of the Google services you love. The seamless integration with Google's ecosystem and the helpful Google Assistant make this phone a joy to use. With a 5050 mAh battery, the Pixel 8 Pro has impressive battery life. It'll easily get you through a full day of use. I've been getting anywhere from 5.5 to 6 hours of screen on time on a regular basis. And when it's time to recharge, the 30-watt rapid charging feature or 23-watt wireless charging gets you back in action. In conclusion, the Pixel 8 Pro is a solid flagship device. With a stunning display, powerful performance, and an exceptional camera, and the signature Pixel experience with the software. If you're a Pixel fan, you will not be disappointed. Thank you for tuning in to our review of the Pixel 8 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. That's it for today, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and exciting content.